Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up the all-in-one USB bootable tool for IT troubleshooting. The first thing that you should do is to open your browser and search for sturdy Sterling download ISO. After that, you need to open the first link I'll see from here. And from here, you can actually download the ISO file. You need to click on the Windows 64-bit download link, and after that, now this window will open. You need to click on download. And now until the download finishes, you can make some coffee or make something to drink. After that, the next thing that you should do is to search for Rufus RC from here and click on the first link, which will be from Rufus official website. After that, you need to scroll down till you see the Rufus exe file. You need to just click on it and download it. After you download these files, the first thing that you should do is to extract it. So to do that, you need to right click and click on extract all, and then from here you need to click on extract. Now the files will take a minute to extract. After it finishes extracting, now you need to open Rufus RC from here, and from the Rufus menu you need to click on select device. So now you need to select the device that you want to burn the ISO file in to make it the all-in-one bootable device. So now from here, before you choose the ISO file, you need to first extract it again after the first extraction, but in this time it will need a password. The password will be Sterling, as we actually downloaded it from Sturdy Sterling website. You need to just write Sterling and you can extract the another file, and you will find the ISO file right here. Now to actually use it, you need to open Rufus and choose the ISO file. So you need to navigate to the directory that you have stored the extracted ISO file in, and you need to choose the ISO file. And now it will be ready. All you need to do is to just click on start, and the ISO file will be burned into a USB stick. After that, you need to actually boot up your device with the USB stick plugged in and choose your USB stick. This desktop will appear. The first thing that you need to do is to click on the start menu. So now here's the start menu in this USB stick. After you open it, you will see the programs menu. So if you click on it, all of these categories will pop up. So all of these categories have different types of troubleshootings. You can click on any type of troubleshooting category and choose the program that you want to actually assist you in your troubleshooting. Also, there's the install app I'll see from here. If you click on it, another dashboard like this start menu will pop up to you, and it will categorize the troubleshooting programs in a different way. So here's all the apps for backup, and here's all the apps for hard disks. So that's how the apps actually is categorized for troubleshooting. Also, depending on your Windows version, you can see different type of apps categorized from here. And that's it. That's how you can actually set up the all-in-one bootable tool or device for IT troubleshooting. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.